a $1,000 Cadillac, a big block-style Galaxie, and a classic Beetle. These 15 cars for sale have some serious surprises. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're checking out 15 classic cars for sale, from affordable project cars to running and driving classics. We've got vintage Ford trucks, a 390-powered Galaxie, a 1960s Lincoln Continental, classic Volkswagens, and even a Cadillac priced at just $1,000. Some need work, some are ready to cruise, but everyone has a story. Let's take a look. Car number 1, 1963 Mercury Comet Convertible, $7,500. Here's a 1963 Mercury Comet Convertible from Amarillo, Texas, listed for $7,500. It has a 200 cubic inch straight six with a 3-speed manual transmission and runs and drives well. The interior is in pretty nice shape, and the car has new drum brakes. The paint looks better in photos than it does up close, with scratches and some rust around the rear wheel wells. The convertible top also needs a new rear window. Still, it's a fun driver that could be restored or enjoyed as is. Car number 2, 1965 Ford LTD 390, $2,500. Next is a 1965 Ford LTD from Garland, Texas, priced at just $2,500. This full-size Ford has an automatic transmission and reportedly has only 2 owners. The body has a couple of small dents, but the bigger concern is the engine. The seller says the motor isn't good. It does come with a clean title. At this price, this is definitely a project, but the early LTD styling could make it an interesting restoration candidate. Car number 3, 1968 Buick Riviera, $1,234. Here's a 1968 Buick Riviera from Wichita, Kansas. The listing shows $1,234, but that appears to be a placeholder or trade price rather than a confirmed asking price. The interesting part is what's under the hood, a 383 stroker blueprint engine. The seller says the Riviera runs and drives great. So while the price needs clarification, this could be a seriously interesting classic Buick for someone looking for a custom cruiser. Car number 4, 1962 Ford Falcon, $2,800. This 1962 Ford Falcon sedan from McAlester, Oklahoma is listed for $2,800. It's powered by a 170 cubic inch inline 6 paired with Ford's 2-speed Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission. The seller describes it as a neat 4-door Falcon that gets around town well. It's not a high-performance classic, but that's part of its charm. For someone wanting a simple, early 1960s cruiser, this Falcon could be an affordable option. Car number 5, 1954 Buick Special, $5,000. And here's a 1954 Buick Special from Spring, Texas, priced at $5,000. This one has a Buick Nailhead V8 and an automatic transmission. The seller describes it as a solid restoration project that shouldn't take too much to get back together. It also has a clean title and a green exterior and interior. For $5,000, this could be an appealing project for someone who wants classic Buick styling and a Nailhead V8 without starting with a completely rough car. Car number 6, 1965 AMC Rambler Marlin 2-door hardtop from Pittsburgh, Kansas. Here's something you don't see every day, a 1965 AMC Rambler Marlin 2-door hardtop from Pittsburgh, Kansas. This unusual classic has its original 327 V8 and console-mounted automatic transmission. The seller says it's complete and comes with a Kansas title. It isn't currently running and will need some work, including front seat covers, but the unique fastback styling makes this one stand out. For $5,300, this could be a very interesting rat rod or restoration project. Car number 7, 1967 Ford F-150 short bed, $6,900. Next up is a 1967 Ford F-150 short bed from Pottsville, Arkansas, listed for $6,900. It's powered by a 306-cylinder with a C4 automatic and Ford 9-inch rear end. The truck starts, drives, and stops, although it still needs finishing. The seller has most of the parts, including the driver's side floor pan and a new windshield. With its factory short bed configuration and solid running condition, this could be a great classic Ford truck project. Car number 8, 1962 Cadillac DeVille, $1,000. Here's one for just $1,000, a 1962 Cadillac DeVille from Birmingham, Alabama. This four-door Cadillac has an automatic transmission and a blue exterior and interior. The seller says it has only 2 owners, but there's one major issue. It needs an engine. So this is strictly a project or parts candidate. But for someone looking to build a big, dramatic early 60s Cadillac, the low entry price could be tempting. Car number 9. $1965 Ford F-150 short bed, $8,000. This 1965 Ford F-150 short bed from Austin, Texas, is asking $8,000. It has a 240 inline-6 with a 3-speed manual transmission and is described as a Texas patina truck. The seller says it starts every time and gets driven around town regularly. The frame is solid, while rust is mainly limited to the bed. There's also a fiberglass floor repair and new carpet waiting to be installed. With its authentic 1965 Texas plates and clean title, this is a great candidate for someone who loves original-looking vintage trucks. Car number 10, 1966 Ford Thunderbird, $6,500. And here's a 1966 Ford Thunderbird from Marion, Kentucky, priced at $6,500. This one has the desirable 390 V8 with an automatic transmission, and according to the seller, it runs and drives great. It has new paint, decent interior, and new tires. The main issues are a power window motor and the door panels. For someone wanting a comfortable classic cruiser rather than a full restoration project, this Thunderbird looks like a strong candidate. Car number 11. 1965 Ford Galaxie 500, $8,800. Here's a 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 two-door from Daphne, Alabama, listed for $8,800. This isn't a stock cruiser. It has a rebuilt 390 V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor, a 9-inch rear end, upgraded disc brakes, new exhaust, fuel tank, and rebuilt carburetor. The seller says it runs and drives great and has received a restoration, although there is still some typical rust. It's built to be driven and enjoyed, not necessarily kept as a perfect show car. Car number 12. (1967) Volkswagen Beetle 1.8T, $7,200. Next is a 1967 Volkswagen Beetle from Magnolia, Texas, priced at $7,200. This patina Beetle has a manual transmission and plenty of updates, including 4 new drum brakes, shocks, rebuilt front end, fresh radial tires, and a custom welded floor pan. The interior keeps plenty of its original character, with gold leather upholstery and an original steering wheel. The seller describes the engine as very strong, although it does leak some oil. If you like attention, this Beetle definitely delivers. Car number 13. $1967 Ford F-250, $7,000. Here's a 1967 Ford F-250 from Lampe, Missouri. This truck has a 352 V8 with a C6 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, working AC, and good tires. It also has a newer radiator and a modern-style radio. The seller admits it's not perfect, with some rust, Bondo repairs, scratches, and a cab mount that could use attention. Still, it runs, drives, and stops well, making this a usable classic truck with room to improve. Car number 14, 1966 Lincoln Continental, $5,500. This 1966 Lincoln Continental from New Orleans is listed for $5,500. It's reportedly a one-owner car with a clean title, but there's an important catch: it does not currently run. The seller says the engine and transmission are good, but the car is being sold as is. For someone looking for a big, iconic 1960s luxury project, this Continental could be an interesting starting point. Car number 15, 1966 Chevrolet Bel Air, $4,500. And finally, we have a 1966 Chevrolet Bel Air from Topeka, Kansas, priced at $4,500. This car has 86,000 original miles, a 283 V8, and an automatic transmission. The seller says it runs and drives great, with good floors and trunk pan and very little body rust. It's also had plenty of mechanical work, including a new fuel pump, master cylinder, brake lines, alternator, and more. The AC has even been converted and works. With its great patina and relatively low price, this could be one of the most appealing drivers in the lineup. And that's the lineup for today. Which one would you choose for your garage? The Galaxie 500, the F-250, the Beetle, or that classic Bel Air? Drop your pick in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe for more classic cars for sale. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.